What is up, you guys? We are back with another video today and kind of jumping off into the middle of the action. But what we are going to be doing is we are going to be replacing my wheel bearing because that is starting to go out. So we are going to take you guys along through the process in case any of you guys need to do it. So let's go on ahead and get into it. So we went on ahead, we got my wheel off. Then the next thing to do is you got to take your caliper off and then your rotor, and then you'll be able to actually reach the wheel bearing that is behind that. So let's go on ahead and keep going into it. So you guys, we just got the rotor and the caliper off, and whenever you are taking the caliper off on an Akibono caliper slash rotor, there are going to be two 20s, two 20s or 7/8 in these bolt holes right here, and they are super on there, by the way, so make sure you PB blast them. It took me and David a little bit to get them off, but don't worry, we'll fix all the caliper. It's jank right now, but we'll fix it. So yeah, there are two bolts, and they go, I'll show you guys, they go literally here and here, and they line up here and here. So once you get those off, you guys can take the caliper and the rotor off all in one. And then next up is the actual dustpan and wheel bearing itself. And David just got the jack stand to hold this up. So, and yes, this is David, by the way. He'll probably be in a lot more videos now. So let's go on ahead and continue this process. So, as you guys literally just saw, we just got the brand new wheel bearing on there, and so this one was completely stuck on the car from 163,000 miles worth of driving. I'm sure this is still the one that came on the car in the beginning. What we did is we did not have, what's it called? A slide hammer. For you guys that don't know, you like put it on 2 lug nuts, and then, or you put it on 3, and then you just keep like banging it. So what we did is we went through and we just started banging on the back right here with like, this is gonna be really short, but like just a metal rod and a hammer, and we just started going in. We eventually got it to crack some, PB blasted the crack, and just kept getting it and getting it and getting it. Be careful though, because it will fly off of the car like it did for us. It was here, it landed down here. So just watch out for that. We went on ahead, we put this back on, we put the dustpan back on, we put the ABS back on as well. It's a little, what is this? It's a little 10mm bolt right here. And we're going on ahead putting it all back together. These 4 bolts, these are all 17s, and then these ones are like 21s, I want to say. So if you guys are doing this at home, there are all the bolt sizes for you guys. We're gonna go on ahead, put the rotor and the caliper back on the wheel, and then that'll be in this video, and time to put the next car part on, which you guys will probably see in a couple of weeks. So we're gonna go on ahead, finish this up, and get started on the next project.